So guys, little update on the homestead. Got a lot of good news, a lot of bad news. Not really bad, but as you see, everything's been growing good, but since we've been gone, it's been a lot of rain, a lot of water, so we got a bunch of weeds we need to take care of. Look at all the squash, guys. Cucumber, zucchini, butternut squash. Everything's doing beautiful. Look at that. Onions being gathered up by weeds. So today that's the main focus, is getting this all cleared up. Yeah, this is progress so far. How everything is growing. So today I'm going to take care of all these weeds. Look at all these guys coming in. Everything's growing beautiful. Everything's growing good, but all these weeds need to get cleared out. But I'll keep you guys updated.